Let's learn how to play Tears in Heaven on our ukuleles. This request came from Patreon member Madeline. Thank you so much, Madeline, for requesting this piece. One of the members of our ukulele family passed away, and Madeline wanted to play this in her honor, so we're going to learn this song here today. Let's go to the chords first. We're going to need A. Slide that down to make an E, F sharp minor, and back to A. The strumming pattern here is going to be down, 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 up, and then you go to the next chord, down, 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 down. And you can already hear the song in just those 4 chords, or in those 4 movements. Then we're going to go to a D chord, down, 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 up, and then an A, down, 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 up, and finish it on an E. So let's try it. 1, 2, I'll go slower. 1, 2, ready, go. A, E, F sharp minor, A, D, A, E, E again. Now let's add the words. 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, you can do it. Ready, go. Would you know my name if I saw you in heaven? Do it again. Would it be the same if I saw you in heaven? Okay, over at the next section, we're sounding something like this. I'll find a way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in heaven. So what we're doing there is an F sharp minor, then we're going to a C sharp. If you've never done a C sharp before, imagine the B flat chord, and you're just going to take that index finger down to the 4th fret, and that's your C sharp. Then we have an A7, the friendliest chord in this whole song. And then we have an F sharp, probably the unfriendliest chord in this whole song. So the F sharp looks like this, look up. So you hold an F without your index. If you hold the F with the middle and ring, look up, and you slide that down and bar, that's when you get that F sharp. Not all of my strings are ringing perfectly when I'm doing this one, so give yourself some grace. So we're starting with the F sharp minor, and it's going to be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, and then the C sharp, down, 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 up, down. Go to the A7, down, down, up, then the F sharp. So now it's like you bought the whole fretboard, right? But we don't usually go down here, so it's nice to be using it. This is a challenging song, but it sounds so beautiful, it's worth it. So let's try that section. 1, 2, ready, go. I'll find a way through night and day. Next section, we're going to do a B minor 7. No, that's just barring the entire 2nd fret. No, I just can't stay. And then an E chord. Then I'm gonna let it ring and just sing the words. Here and heaven, and on the then of heaven, you come back in with the part that you already know. Ben. So let's do that whole section slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. We'll find a way. A7. Night and day. Slide down. No, I just can't stay. Down, down, down. Here in heaven. La la la. La la. bridge, and this has a key change, which is really in the favor of the ukulele because we will need chords C, G, A minor, D, G. And that will sound like this. 2, ready, go. Time can bring you down. Time can bend your knee. Do that again. Time can break your heart. Have you beg and plead? Okay, so the bridge works as is, but if you want to add a little bit of sauce in between those two lines of music, you can do something like this. So, time can bring you down, time can bend your knee. Here we go. We can do a D, G, C, and go to the next phrase. So again, that's D, G, C. Time can break your heart. Have you beg and plead? So let me put all of that together and you can try it out if you want. 1, 2, ready, go. Time can bring you down. Time can bend your knee. Time can break your heart. Have you beg and plead? The last bit of the bridge, we're going to say beg and please on D and then slide that down to an E. Beg and please. And that's when you go back into the other key that we were originally in. So let's try the whole bridge. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knee. Time can break your heart, have you beg and plead? Let's do that bridge again because I hesitated a bit going to the D chord. I was like not trusting that I had it memorized. It's just when the camera comes on, like it's different, you know. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, the whole bridge. 1, 2, ready, go. Time can break your heart. Time can bend your knee. Time can bring you down. Have you beg and plead? Beg and plead. That's all you need to know to be able to play this song. If you're a Patreon member, you have access to this printable. If you don't know what Patreon is, it's a website where you can support creators like myself. So you pay a monthly fee and then the creator gives you everything they can to keep you happy and keep your membership. So for example, I do live lessons via Zoom every week on ukulele and on guitar. And then every month we have like a Saturday jam where we just all meet and play together, learn something new, or I bring guest artists to teach us some really cool things. And then I have hundreds and hundreds of pages of printables. Right now I'm actually working on a Christmas songbook for the guitar. And you get all of that as part of your membership. In this video, I've been playing the tiny tenor koa ukulele from my shop. This is the last of the tiny tenor koas that I'm gonna have in this year. So if you wanna snag this, it's ready. It's beautiful, gorgeous, unique, and different. What I love about the Romero Creations ukuleles is that every single one is so unique and so different. They also come with a really nice deluxe gig bag. So it's the closest thing you can get to a hard case because of the padding. And then a CD of ukulele music and a few other accessories that I like to throw in because gift giving is my love language. I like to throw in a bunch of accessories. If you're interested in this or in any other ukulele from my shop, just check out the link down below. It is an honor to be able to pack ukuleles and send them to you or to the person that you're gifting them to. I also have some smaller than the tiny tenors. There's the concert ones. So check out the shop. I'm sure you'll find something that you really like. Like my mom used to be a florist, and we've been making leis for guitar and ukulele. This wouldn't work on a tiny tenor because it's like almost the size of the instrument, but if you have an instrument with a longer headstock, it works better. Also in the shop you'll find these musical earrings, and anything that you buy, if you want me to gift wrap it or do some kind of special thing for the gift, just send me a note and I'll try my best to fulfill your wishes. Thank you again so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. My toddler's crying, so I gotta go. But thank you so much, and thank you, Madeline, for this request. Thank you again. Love you.